How to join a particular group on Fiverr. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'm going to show the steps on how you can join a group on Fiverr. Well, to join a Fiverr group, what you'll have to know is that you need to be invited by a group admin or find and join a public community. Now, if invited, you'll get the link. Simply accept the invitation to join. If you're looking for a public community, use the search function to find and tap the join community. So joining, simply go ahead and open up Fiverr. Then you can simply search in for certain communities, right? So you can see explore option here. You can explore as well, and you can join the public communities. So you can see communities and channels. If you know the name, you can simply search for it and you can go ahead and join them. So you can see join community option. This is how you can join a certain group on Fiverr. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.